Attention e-commerce brands generating over $50,000 per month on Shopify. We will increase your ROAS and reduce your customer acquisition cost on Google Ads using our profit margin focused campaign strategies and tactics so you can generate more revenue from the same level of ad spend. This is exactly what we did for this e-commerce brand where we increased their ROAS by 79% and revenue by 89% from only spending 5% more. And this brand where we increased ROAS by 116%, revenue by 89% by actually spending 12% less. The problem you face as an e-commerce brand is low profit margins of around 10% or 20% if you're lucky. And when around 70 to 80% of your marketing budget goes straight to Google Ads, maximizing your ROI on that platform is not just essential, it is critical to increasing your profit margins. Now, if you're not experiencing the profitability you need on Google Ads, I can imagine it is down to these reasons. You are currently working with a general marketing agency that works with e-commerce clients and lead gen clients and runs ads on Twitter, Pinterest, Reddit, Google Ads, Facebook ads, any platform. Then your precious Google Ads account is handed off to a junior account manager who simply doesn't have the knowledge or the experience to generate the ROI you need on the platform, which only costs you money. Or worse off, you're trying to do it all yourself. You're crawling through YouTube videos, reading blogs on how to write persuasive ad copy, create high converting ads, optimize your feed, and managing Google Ads campaigns on top of running the operations of your business. And ultimately, all these do is crush the 10% profit margins that you are forever trying to increase. While this is slightly different at Growf, we only work with e-commerce brands with a core focus on Google Ads. Your ads account is never handed off to a junior account manager. We only work with senior account managers who have the essential knowledge and experience from years of working in the marketing agency trenches before they even touched your Google Ads account. Our copy and paste Google Ads strategies, tactics, and ad creative practices are injected into your account, which bypasses the steep learning curve you'll experience working with a general marketing agency or an inexperienced e-commerce marketing agency. This results in increasing profitability and revenue month on month on autopilot. Now, this is exactly what we did for this e-commerce brand by increasing their ROAS by 130%, their revenue by 230%, by only spending 35% more on Google Ads in a 30-day period from them working with us. And this brand where we increased ROAS by 139%, revenue by 198% from only spending 24% more. Now, for those who don't know me, my name is Josh, and over the past 5 years, I've been in the marketing agency trenches where I personally worked on over 100 Google Ads accounts and spent £13.5 million in ad spend. Now I have assembled a team of senior marketing experts with a combined experience of 25 years and £36 million in managed ad spend. Now, we all have one mission common, and that is to increase the profitability of our clients' Google Ads account so you can grow month on month with profit margins that make you smile rather than cry. So how do we do this? Well, if there's one thing we promote at Growf, it is transparency, which is why I've created over 100 videos on YouTube where I reveal the exact strategies, tactics, and secrets we use to increase profitability on Google Ads. I literally hold nothing back. However, let me show you the exact 4-step workflow you would expect to experience when you become a Growf client. Step 1 is the strategy and build. Step 2 is the launch phase. Step 3 is the testing phase. And step 4 is a scaling phase. Now, step 1 is a strategy and build. Now, as a significant amount of your Google Shopping targeting is actually done within the contents of your Google Merchant Center, we have a strong emphasis on the use of feed optimization software. Using this software will make sure to front load your product titles and descriptions with essential keywords and differentiating attributes like color, size, and weight, so that we can best match your product listing to a user's search, which reduces irrelevant clicks and instantly improves your ROAS. We then start with the foundation e-commerce strategy we use across all of our clients, which promotes new customer acquisition with a targeted campaign at all 5 stages of the decision-making process that your customers go through. This is essential to have in place as your user needs on average 7 touch points before they convert with a new brand. Then, using Pareto's 80-20 principle as a foundation, we will tactically segment your product types into the right campaign. We do this by reviewing the historical conversion value and volume in both your Shopify account and also your Google Ads account. Consumer psychology rich ad copy is then made using our persuasive ad copy framework. Our creative team will then be commissioned to make you high converting image and video ads. First party data will be autonomously connected from your customer database to your Google Ads account so we can laser into your ideal customer profile. What this does, it helps differentiate between new and existing customers so we can generate more business from new customers. Finally, we'll significantly reduce the discrepancies that you see in conversion value in Google Ads compared to what you see in Shopify. Now, we do this with specialist server-side tracking. This fuels our campaigns with the maximum amount of conversion data possible so that they can have the best performance possible. Now, once our campaigns are exiting their learning phase, we can now assess campaign performance, asset group performance, and product performance so that we can form hypothesis to then test in incremental experiments throughout your campaign. The aim of this is to identify your account's winning formula and unlock the maximum profitability we can. Now, I have worked with hundreds of Google Ads accounts, and I can confidently say that each of them has its own unique winning formula. So running these tests is essential to identify this winning formula to then go into step 4, which is the scaling phase. We can then begin to scale your account horizontally by expanding out new campaigns and vertically by incrementally increasing your daily budget. Or you can continue to stay with your complacent marketing agency that can't produce the profitability you need in your Google Ads account to then scale your account, which prevents you from growing month on month and year on year. Now, if that's not you and you want to improve the performance of your Google Ads campaigns so that you can increase your profitability, which will then allow you to open up your ad spend taps to turn your Google Ads account into the money printing machine that it really is, then go to the bottom of this page to book a call with myself or a member of the team where we can begin the brainstorming process to take you from where you are now of being unprofitable to where you want to be of being profitable. Thank you.